guys so much love. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. My name is Bobby Noble. This is Bobby in the Lobby. I'm going to be playing till 8:30, and then at 9, I'm going to move up to the Promenade. Tonight at 11:30, the band is doing 80s music, so 2 hours of 80s music. So if you guys like 80s music, they're amazing at it. It's awesome. I mean, I could try 80s music. It's not like my best thing, but they're killing it.
Give extra cherries.
Lift my heart up and the rest of me. You had shot me, even when you're not. If there are boundaries, I will try to know them now. I'm latching on it. Now I know I'm right now. Here it goes. Gonna latch on you now. Baby, think we're close enough. Gonna latch on you now. So enamored, got me wrapped up in your touch. I'm so encaptured, hold me tighter with you. How do we do it? Got me losing everything.
Oh my God.
How did you get me? I made my heart beat out. I just think we're close enough. Could I lock on your arms? Yes. Think we're close enough. Could I lock on your arms? Oh, now. I want that girl blue. I got you shackled in my breath. I'm latching on to you. Now I got you in my space. I want that girl blue. We love you. Got you shackled in my breath. I'm latching on, baby, it's true. Now I gotta do it my step. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you.